negative x equals to this. So let us do it. Instead of writing x root of x, just take step and write minus x raised to the power of 1 over x, and to be equals to this 256. You can break it to something like 4 to the power of 4. Just make progress. So let us do something crazy by multiplying all the power by negative 1. I'll tell you why. So minus x to the power of minus 1 to the power of 1 over x, and it equals to 4 raised to the power of minus 4. So this, you can write the left hand side to look at it. X raised to the power of minus 1 all over 1 over x, and still equals to 4 raised to the power of negative 4. What is inside is minus here. So instead of this one, you can write it in the form of 1 to the power of minus x, all to the power of 1 over x equals to 4 raised to the power of minus 4. Let us do something again. Let us multiply all two by minus 1 so that this and this will look alike. So you have here will be 1 over minus x to the power of 1 to the power of minus x, and 1 to the power of 4. This one minus 1 to the power of minus 4. So clearly 1 of minus 1 over x to the power of minus 1 over x. So we achieve our end. The basis and the power resemble, and it will be equals to the base here is 4, and minus and minus is plus, so you have 4. So in each situation, minus 1 over x is equal to 4. And look at the power too. This one is equal to 4. This implies that minus 1 over x will be equal to 4. So x times 4, 4x, and equals to minus 1. Divide both sides by 4, divide both sides by 4. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 over 4. This is how the cookies crumble. I hope you enjoyed the class. Please let's meet in my next class. For now, bye-bye.